Welcome to affordable tooling.
Alright, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Vulcan TIG Torch. Now, this is a 150 amp TIG torch, and the item number on this is 63785. Now I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this, and then I'll show you guys everything that's included in the box. So with this TIG torch, you do get the torch, of course, 150 amps. It does have a valve on the body here. Also, you get some adapters, which includes a 25 millimeter and a 35, or actually a 25 and a 50 millimeter DINS connectors. Sorry about that. And you also get the sleeves for those connectors. For those who are interested in the TIG torch and have an Omni Pro 220, you do get the adapter cable for it. You get a TIG parts kit, or a TIG torch, well, I would call it a consumables kit. You get the collet bodies, the collets, you get two back caps, a short and a long. Also, you get your gray banded tungsten, which I really like. Pink alumina cups here. They're pretty much standard cups. The sizes on them are 4, 5, 6, and 8. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys really quick what comes in this kit here, and you guys can pause that if you want. On the box it says that it fits most Lincoln, Millers, and ESAB TIG machines. I will be doing a demonstration for you guys using the Miller Syncrowave 210. I probably will do some AC and DC welding on that. Try it on the Omni Pro 220 also. So for those people out there who need a TIG torch in a hurry, and you got a Harbor Freight near you and you don't feel like waiting to get one online, the Vulcan TIG torch is actually not a bad deal at all.